Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. I am LaDonna J. If you are new here, hello, hi, welcome. I am LaDonna J. I do videos on beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, a little bit of lifestyle. If you are not new, hello, hey y'all, what's going on? How y'all doing? For today's video, we are going to do this cute little summer hairstyle, y'all. I saw this on Instagram and I was like, I have a half wig in my closet that I haven't worn yet. This would be perfect to film and show you guys cute little simple hairstyle for the summer. Y'all, this literally took me like 10 minutes at most, maybe 15. But it's super quick, affordable, easy, and cute, of course, y'all. This is perfect for the summer if you're going to a festival, concert, to the beach, whatever you're doing this summer. This is the hairstyle for you. I'm telling you, this half wig, the outre quick weave Kaylee understood the summer assignment, okay? I'm just saying, because I am feeling myself with this half wig, might I say. I am feeling like Ariel, okay? Little mermaid in this thing. Y'all can't tell me nothing. Because, baby, I'm about to be outside this summer with this hair, okay? I'm just kidding. No, I'm not. But this hairstyle, you guys, I'm all jokes aside, I love it. It's super cute. Comment down below if you guys are going to try this. Like this video if you're going to try it, if you enjoyed this video. And without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into this look. So I went ahead and I prepped my hair because every video is the same of how I prep my hair. The back, I have 2 French braids. I parted it down the middle and then I straightened the front of my hair, and then I just part out half of the section. So I have 2 French braids and then I parted out half and then I straightened this piece. I put out more hair than I normally do just because this hairstyle, I am going to be having more hair out involving this piece right here because I'm going to braid it, flip it over. So I did put out more hair. My voice is cracking. I'm sorry. I did put out more hair than I normally do, but that is okay with the quick weaves, the synthetic wigs, whatever you are using, whatever you're doing. You can adjust it to, you know, your head size and however much leave out you use. You can adjust the wig, or if you're doing a quick weave with this hairstyle, you can adjust it to the amount of hair you have left out, if that makes any sense. This is the half wig. I'm going to show you guys the construction first. Like any other outre, very thin on the top, 2 combs on the side, 1 in the nape, and then you have adjustable straps. The inside there's weft with mesh, breathable. And then this is the hair. I love it. I'm actually more in love with it than I thought I was gonna be. This is screaming LaDonna. Y'all, I love me some big curly hair, wavy hair, whatever the case is. I love curly hair, especially on me. I don't know what it is. It just does something to me. It just does something to your curl. But this is so pretty. Like, this is definitely screaming summer for sure. Like mermaid hair. Y'all better go get this. I'm telling y'all, go snag it. This was only like $17.99. Yeah, very cheap, y'all. It was $17.99. I haven't straightened my natural hair in so long. I'm trying to stay away from straightening my natural hair because, baby, it has been breaking off on you, girl. This is cute. If I were to wave my hair, the thing is, I don't know how I would do these curls, but ooh, if I knew how to do these curls on my hair, listen. Let me find out how to do these curls in my hair and make them stay. Maybe like a braid out. I'm gonna be somebody's mermaid this summer, okay? Ooh. Stop playing with me. Oh my God. Okay, let's get back to the hair because I'm gonna sit here and, oh girl. Okay, stop it on. It is a little bit big in the back. Like I said, I do have more leave out up here out. So it is a little bit big in the back, but that's okay because we're going to pull it up in a half style. So that's going to be fine. So don't worry about that. I don't know if you guys can see the difference of colors. I'm not going to pick up on camera. But my hair is a little bit lighter than it, but I am worried about that. But I absolutely I absolutely love this hair. Oh, I love the waves. So pretty. So pretty. So I went ahead and I took the hair off. I adjusted the straps to make it tighter in the back. So now we're just gonna go ahead and focus on this front section. So for me, how I'm gonna do it, how I normally do it, how I practice to do it, I go from the arch of my eyebrow. So the arch of my eyebrow. And this is normally, it just falls because this is normally where my side part is. And then arch. You just want to make sure that they're even. I am the worst parter ever. So, yeah. Okay, so it looks about even to me, as even as it's gonna be. So don't worry about this. This is gonna go up into the half, and yeah, so just leave these down, these pieces here, leave them down. You're gonna take this piece, pull it to the front and brush down or comb down just like that. Comb it down. I'm gonna go in with some edge boost to go ahead and slick these parts down so you can at least see the depth. No, not the depth. What's the word? You can see the part, basically. I was trying to use a big word and I choked. So I'm just gonna go in with some of this edge boost to just smooth out these side pieces so it doesn't get caught. And I'm not using a lot. You can make this hairstyle perfect. You can make it messy. I love me a messy hairdo. So whatever you choose, mine is going to be a neat mess, if that makes any sense. So yeah, I'm not making it perfect, but it's not going to be too messy. So I'm just going to put this on my hair, come to the other side, do the same thing. Okay, you're also going to want to put some edge boost on this part because we are going to braid it and pull it back. So you're going to want to make sure that this piece is nice and slick. Or if you're going to do baby hair, pull your baby hair out. I'm going to do a little bit of baby hair. I'm not going to do too much. All right, and then go in with your little edge brush. Make sure that these hairs are pushed back. And at this very moment, I stopped talking because I got in the zone of doing my hair. So I'm going to do a quick little voiceover. Everything is self-explanatory as to what I'm doing. Some people are visual learners. Y'all don't need me to explain what I'm doing. So yeah. But I just want to talk about the hair a little bit. The hair is super beautiful. It shedded a little bit. It's very, very, it looks full, but it's thin. It does tangle quite a lot. Once you brush out the curls, it becomes bigger. So this particular half wig is not going to last you a very long time. not even if you take care of it, which is okay. I mean, for the price point, it doesn't matter to me. But yeah, I just wanted to give you a little bit of a specs on the actual half wig. It sheds and it tangles a lot. And then once you brush out the curls, like it gets old, it becomes big and the curls disappear. So yeah, I'm gonna put on some music, let y'all watch and vibe out, and that's that. All right, beautiful people, that completes the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed. I hope it was super simple. I hope that you guys do try it out. I am absolutely loving the end results. I am definitely feeling myself. I am about to go take a whole bunch of pictures and change like 2 outfits because baby, she's giving mermaid. She's giving summer. She's giving you, I'm that girl, okay? I am giving you summer, baby. I absolutely love this look. If you guys enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are not already. And until my next one, beautiful people, stay true, stay you, and stay positive. Bye.